It's Saturday the 14th of May 2022. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News in a minute. Let's get cracking. And the timer starts. Now, Universal Orlando have confirmed the closure of their Monsters Cafe is permanent. The rumour is it's going to be replaced with a Minions Cafe. Six Flags Over Texas is opening a new dark ride today called Pirates of Speelunker Cave after having passholder previews all through this week. Tokyo Disney has announced it's going to start selling Disney Premier Access passes for two of its rides from May 19th. It's going to cost 2,000 yen, which is about $20, to skip the queue for Enchanted Tale of Beauty and the Beast at Tokyo Disneyland and Soaring, Fantastic Flight at Tokyo DisneySea. Walt Disney World's Tron Lightcycle run has taken its first test runs this week. Disneyland Resort announced that the Red Car Trolleys are coming back this summer at Disney's California Adventure Park. They also announced that the Tale of the Lion King show will return to Disneyland on May 28th. Legoland California has opened its Lego Ferrari Build and Race attraction this week. Six Flags has today reported a 25% jump in attendance for... That is it for this week's Theme Park News in a minute. We'll be back next week with more Theme Park News, so tune in for that. In the meantime, check us out on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, on TikTok at ThemeParkNut, on Instagram, ThemeParkNut Insta, and our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.